Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. This is the second video for the drug inspector previous year test questions. So question number 11, choose the correct statement. Option A, plasma substitutes should have viscosity similar to that of plasma. Option B, plasma substitutes should be immunogenic. Option C, plasma substitute must be colorless. Option D, plasma substitute must be retained by the human body. The correct option is option A, plasma substitute should have viscosity similar to that of plasma. A plasma substitute is a colloidal component that mimics the properties of blood plasma such as colloidal osmotic effect, osmotic pressure and viscosity. Question number 12. Which of the following influences the drug distribution in the body? Option A, protein binding capacity of the drug. Option B, weight of the individual. Option C, first pass metabolism of the drug. Option D, solubility of the drug. The correct option is option A, protein binding capacity of the drug. The protein binding influences the bioavailability and distribution of acute compounds. Question number 13. Which of the following parameters are evaluated by comparing curves of serum concentration versus time? Option A, peak concentration, biological half-life and elimination rate constant. Option B, biological half-life, Tmax and absorption rate constant. Then option C, peak concentration, Tmax and total area under the curve. Option D, absorption rate constant, area under the curve and elimination rate constant. The correct option is option C, peak concentration, Tmax and total area under the curve. Area under the curve, the total integrated area under the plasma drug concentration time curve, it expresses the total amount of drug that enters the systemic circulation after administration of the drug. Then question number 14, the time period for which the plasma concentration of drug remains above minimum therapeutic level is known as option A, duration of action. Option B, maximum action time. Option C, intensity action. Option D, termination of action. The correct option is option A, duration of action. Then question number 15. Which of the following methods is used to calculate the area under the curve of a drug from a blood level time graph? The option A, rules of nines. Option B, law of diminishing returns. Option C, trapezoidal rule. Option D, termination of action. The correct option is option C, trapezoidal rule. The area under the curve concentration time curve was calculated using the linear log trapezoidal rule. Question number 16. The principle involved in the separation of components in column chromatography is at the solid-liquid interface. Option A, adsorption. Option B, partition. Option C, size exclusion. Option D, differentiation. The correct option is option A, adsorption. Then question number 17. The type of immunity produced by administration of tetanus antitoxin is option A, naturally occurred active immunity. Option B, artificially produced passive immunity. Option C, artificially stimulated active immunity. Then option D, naturally occurred passive immunity. The correct option is option B, artificially produced passive immunity. Anti-tetanus immunoglobulin and tetanus antitoxin is a medication made up of antibodies against the tetanus toxin. Then question number 18. Which chemical is used to kill Bordetella pertussis in the preparation of pertussis vaccine? Option A, salicylic acid. Option B, acetic acid. Option C, formalin. Option D, chloroxylenol. The correct option is formalin. Then question number 19. BCG vaccine belongs to the class of option A, toxoids. Option B, live bacterial vaccine. Option C, killed bacterial vaccine. Option D, viral vaccine. So BCG, Bacillus calmette guerin, is the live attenuated vaccine form of Mycobacterium bovis used to prevent tuberculosis and other mycobacterial infections. Then question number 20. The modified bacterial exotoxins to reduce or destroy the toxicity without changing immunologic property are called. Option A, toxins. Option B, toxoids. Option C, serums. Option D, antitoxins. The correct option is option B, toxoids. A toxoid is an inactivated toxin whose toxicity has been suppressed either by chemical or heat treatment. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.